after the war, Britain got rid of it. And then it fell into the hands of a tin pot dictator and Mystic Meg.
But James still mainly headed out into the countryside, where he hoped the driving would be less stressful. Agonising hours later, we reached it.
Someone's here. Hey, who are you?
For trying to reach the things that I can see. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can see. So am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something more.
Because I don't suspect that the Irish Red Jackets were asleep.
I saw you counting.
This chap here. sure.
DW.
He's here.
DW.
There.
Man. This is where we begin.
Don't worry, it
We're
means
heading for here. Well, up here. Where we think we are on this trip. We're here. You know that thought when we left Rangoon and James Road left?
kitty.
All but yesterday, we drove up here. What was it, 14, 15 hours? We were on the way to Bangladesh.
James suggested we go all the way back to Rangoon and start again. But I followed his navigator and said we should take a small road over the hills to get back on course. This would mean driving deep into the sticks.
Sit down. We've already told you.
I'm not a young man and I'm not a fit man, I'll be honest. And I am suffering here. This ride is really brutal. The problem is,
She's changed.
the sports car was designed to work for it. It was designed to have
And
5 or 6 tons of stuff in the back.